Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing unbagging of my Ipsy for September. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, this is my September Ipsy bag. Let's see what we got. This is cute. I love yellow. That's what the bag looks like. It's the drawstring. And we got a card. Let's see. This month says work, school, life. So the first thing I pick up is from Dragon Beauty. This is Dragon Glass Matte Liquid Lipstick. It looks like it's in Bad Bitch. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, this design is so pretty. So it says Dragon Beauty. It's like a crystal. That's pretty cool. The color is, that's pretty. Let's see. It says one swipe coats lips in high impact pinkish nude and a comfy matte finish that lasts, glides on smoothly, and helps to stay put for hours without drying your lips. The MSRP for this item is $18. The next item I'll pick up from Uma Beauty. It says blacker than black, y'all. That's all, y'all. It looks like a liquid liner. Let's see. Blacker than black, y'all. Let's see. It's a felt tip liner. Looks like it has a really nice felt tip. It says dial up the intensity with a super pigmented jet black liquid liner. The formula is water resistant, so it lasts for hours and hours, and the ultra precise felt tip makes it easy to create any kind of line or wing with ease. The MSRP for this item is $18. The next thing I pull up is from Laura Geller. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush. Let's see. It's in the shade Tropic Use. So it's in a plastic little packaging, super sleek and cute. This is what it looks like. It's marbleized. It has a little mirror in there. So that's the shade. It's marbleized. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Can you see that? I don't know if I'd wear that as a blush. Maybe like a light blush topper because it's so shimmery. I'm not really into shimmery blushes. It does say it's with stunning swirls of gold, coral, and pink liquid pigments. Blush and Brighten is baked for 24 hours and then hand finished in Italy into a silky dome of powder that instantly lights up your complexion. The MSRP for this item is $28. The next item I pick up is from Nabla Cosmetics. Let's see. This looks like a lip gloss and RSVP. Woo! Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. Let's see what it looks like. Look at the packaging. How cute. That's so cute. It's like gold flecks in the top. Oh, it looks like it's pigmented. Let's see. Yeah, so it's got pigment to the lip gloss. That's a really pretty color for fall. It looks like it's got like some sparkles in there. Let's see how when I rub it, how it shears down. It still has a lot of pigment. It says this shimmery chocolate colored gloss is so damn shiny. It'll give your lips a 3D wet effect, and don't worry, the lightweight formula never feels sticky or gooey either. The value, the MSRP is $15. Let me try it because I don't have anything on my lips right now but oil. To me, it has like a berry undertone. But I'd say it's chocolate, but it still looks a little berry to me. That feels so good. That feels so good. Let me see if it smells. It smells. It has a. It smells like suntan. Like suntan lotion. Like suntan oil. A coconut smell or something. I don't know. Alright, so the last item we have in this bag is Shades by Sean, San Francisco, California. It is a bronzer. Looks like it's in the shade Walnut. It has a mirror. The box is really cute. I like how it fades into the other color. And, oh, I just put my hand all in the bronzer. But that's the color. It says, extend your summer glow with this easy to use bronzer. The matte powder formula is super soft and blendable and never looks cakey or chalky on your skin. The full size value MSRP is $15. So let me swatch it and see what it looks like. It looks very warm toned. It does look like a bronzer that I would wear. So I'm very interested to try this because I don't think I've tried this brand before. Shades by Sean. I haven't tried that brand before. The total value of this bag is $94. What do y'all think? I'm pretty excited about the items that I got because some of these brands I haven't tried before. All of the products I don't believe I've tried. So I can't wait to try them. Everything's swatched pretty nicely, so I'm so excited to try everything. I love this actual marble blush from Laura Geller. Interested to try that and see how it goes. And I love this Nabla lip gloss. It actually feels really nice and it's not sticky at all. Alright guys, so if y'all get Ipsy, let me know what you got, if we got any of the same item. I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.